Okay, I'm back with part 2, picking up where I left off. I want to make sure that every hero gets placed and doesn't get duplicated. So I'm going to do a do while here. And I'm going to just take this code and throw it in this do while and not run the auto formatter this time because I don't want it to break. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a Boolean success. And I'm going to set that to false initially. And then I'm going to say, let's first, we'll check if map.getLocation at row and column dot get hero does not equal null. So if a hero already exists, or rather if it is null, then I'll set success to true. And then I'll set the hero up. Right? And then we can say, well, success, and I probably have to actually declare this outside of this loop. So I want to do that up here. That could be anywhere. I'll put it here. So while we haven't succeeded, just keep repeating and trying to add the hero to the map location. So, and we'll only succeed if the current hero, the hero at the current location or the random location is null. So we won't overwrite any heroes. So as soon as success is true, we bounce out, and then we'll go to the next hero, get random location and column, and set the success to false, try it, and then keep repeating and repeating. Okay, so populating the map with heroes should work, and we can check, we can do something, right? I'm going to expand my map viewer to see that the heroes are getting randomly placed. So I can get the map's type, like the name, the first character of the type of the location. I can also get the first character of the name of the hero and add that to my map. So I'll just do an underscore character, why not? And then I'll want not the type of the, actually I'm going to do this on a separate line because this is getting huge. So we'll not add the tab here. So we're just going to add, and we actually have to do this in an if as well. So if the location at row and column get hero does not equal null, then let's add the hero's name, the char at 0, and then we'll always add our tab character. Okay, so if I run this now, if I didn't break anything, we should be able to start a new game, look at the map, and I did break something. So we can check out where that is. It's on this line 47, which means that I have a hero that doesn't have a name, or something like that. I can put a breakpoint and even see. So if I run this, not run, I have to debug. So if I debug this and go to my output and enter my name and start a new game and then view my map, I can look at this matrix, and it's going to be impossible to find my hero. So this is probably not the best way to do it. So I'm actually going to stop that and not debug that because that's going to take forever. What I'm going to do is just make sure that I'm setting my heroes' names up correctly. And I'm not. So you can see even when I hover over this, I create Batman and I add Batman, but I'm adding all the super name properties. So be careful of that. That's a gotcha, right? And it got me. Okay, so start a new game. I'll view the map. And you can see Superman is over here at 0, 0, 2. Yeah, 0, 1, 2. And Batman's over here at 0, 1, 0. And if I quit the game and I start a new game and I search for people or view the map, now Batman's all the way down over here and Superman's all the way over here. So this is the point. You don't have to display what locations have items. That's not part of this team assignment or individual assignment. What I'd really love for you to do is to be able to get this program controller or game controller completely done, where you can create a new game, add it, create the list of items, create the list of heroes, create the list of locations, create your map, and be able to view that map. If you are there, then your team assignment is good to go. And you will also want to, I think the assignment calls for you, well, hold on one second. So yeah, you will need to at least create one enum, right? It doesn't have to be a fancy enum that has a description for everything or like multiple properties. It can be as simple as my my location type enum, right? That's all I care about because that's most of the time what enums are. So create at least one enum. You'll want to create at least one method that creates a new list and populates that list, which is actually my create hero list method. You want your create item list or whatever it is. And then you'll need your create map method or init map, whatever you choose to call it, that sets up your map. And then you'll need to be able to display that map from your game menu. That's the team assignment. If you get there, you're good to go and you're set. And then I'll create another video for the individual assignment, but I'm pretty sure it's just expanding on the team assignment. It's kind of like the team assignment. I'll create a new video for it explaining one of the things that you could possibly do. It's pretty open-ended, but like I'll probably implement the player movement in the movement controller or the view hero list in some other controller like my collection controller. So I'll probably show both of those in the next video.